Man, I tell you, this wall still humbles me today, just thinking about the great partnership we have with Meguiars. Not only do we build some of the baddest cars around, but we make sure that they look amazing, and Meguiars helps us achieve that. It wasn't always like that, you know. I started really young and broke and started detailing cars and pretty much no money in my pocket and hoping I could use some Meguiars products. So to see this in the garage has so much meaning. At the end of the day, man, Meguiars really makes us so much better here at the shop because it gives us access to the latest technology, the latest things like this to make sure that our cars are not only built amazing, but look amazing for a long, long time. That's about reflecting your passion right there. What's up, Rafa? Time to get some wax on these babies. So this is the new hybrid ceramic wax. I think you guys have been using it in the garage.
Este es uno de los mejores productos de Meguiars. Y más para los colores negros, va a quedar como un espejo.
You're gonna leave these looking like a mirror, right?
Oh, sí.
All right, Rafa. What's going on, Eddie? Time for some Meguiars.
Oh, hybrid ceramic wax. I'm looking forward to using this. Looking at this Camaro here, she's been out on the road. She's gonna need a little Eddie love.
Nice. I can't wait to see the finish.
What's up, Rafa?
Time for some wax, buddy. Every month we got to make sure we get into the showroom, get the guys out of the garage, get some wax on these cars.
So you have the bottle already. Well, I'm glad you have the guys waxing with that new ceramic wax that Meguiar just provided us with. It's doing an amazing job on these paint jobs.
You know what? It's so cool. I really love this product and obviously our relationship with Meguiars. Este producto es uno de los mejores. We've been known to build some of the coolest, baddest cars, man, but the whole thing is about the finish, right? What do you got there?
This brand new hybrid ceramic detailer. There's a 3-in-1 bottle here. Now you have 3 things that will do to your paint job. Number 1, it will enhance your paint, meaning it will make that gloss pop way more. Number 2, any contaminants on your paint, dust, fingerprints, bird droppings, it will remove all of that. And number 3, it will protect it. It will protect it from the UV, sun rays, water. The water will just bead right off of your paint job. So it's definitely something you want to have in your garage.
That was some great product knowledge right there, man. I appreciate that, buddy. But I got to get going, man. I'll leave you to it, all right?
Leave me to what?
The car's got to get waxed, dude.
I thought you were going to have one of the guys do it.
I do have one of the guys doing it. It's one of the best guys.
Oh, wow.
What's up, guys? Super exciting day right here at RMD Garage. Today we're going to talk about the Meguiars ceramic product lines. First, we're going to start with the ceramic wax. Now, this right here is an amazing, amazing tool because what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wet your car down, soap it down as you normally would when you wash it. But before you go to dry it, you're going to want to spray this on and then rinse it off and watch that water bead right off. And again, it's gonna provide an amazing ceramic coating. Next one is the ceramic detailer. Now this is like the quick detailer. Again, this one right here has got that ceramic 3-in-1, and you're gonna wanna make sure if you're going to shows, if you're gonna really just have your car stored in the garage, you're gonna wanna wipe it with this, and it's gonna give you an amazing finish. Now today I got the 1958 Impala right here, and we're gonna go a little bit more traditional. We're gonna use the hybrid ceramic liquid wax on this to really kind of give it that lustrous finish. Now, all these products complement a beautiful build like this, but more than anything, this for me is gonna give it that nice lustrous finish and know that it's ceramic coated. So guys, this is literally ready 1, 2, 3. You can simply buy it at Amazon, take it home and use it. It is absolutely easy to use. With this one, find yourself a shaded space and get your wax on. I think at the end, you're gonna be really happy with the results. I'm gonna show you how to apply it now and give your car a nice ceramic finish. Here we go. All right, guys, so once you get your bottle, you wanna make sure, give it a nice little shake, open it up just a little bit, put it on your application sponge. Now, I like to always make a butterfly, so that's just my thing. That's what I call my little butterfly right there. And again, nice circular motion, applying. Don't press down too much. You want to make sure that you are just letting the product do its job. Nice circular motion, come back. So I like to stay in one panel. Now be careful on the chrome. A lot of times you can catch it and then end up even bending the chrome. I like to go in a straight line when I'm dealing with chrome, then work my way back. Boom, 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 easy peasy. Now, I like to let it sit just a little bit. Go back over it, make sure I didn't miss any spots. And as you can see, I didn't apply too much, and that was the goal. The other thing you want to do, it's really important, is get yourself some Meguiars microfiber towels. There's a lot of synthetic towels out there, and you want to be careful because they do scratch the surface. So microfiber from Meguiars is amazing. They come in a 3-pack. I got 4 sides that I'm going to be able to use, and I nice and easy move my rag in a nice circular motion. So what I tell my daughters all the time is this is for cleaning, this side is for polishing. So now I'm flipping it over and giving it a nice little polish. Now I make sure I have no residue on my rag. And again, I flip again and I'm back. I'm back to making sure this is nice and clean. The best part about it is that it's absolutely effortless. Now watch that chrome because your microfiber will catch. So you want to make your way right through there, especially on a classic car. Then now I'm flipping it over again and I'm going nice motion. Woo! Look at that black. Another thing that's really important when you're waxing your car with the Meguiars ceramic liquid wax, watch your belt. Guys, ladies, watch your belt. Always try to cover it because the last thing you want to do is you're to realize that you're leaning in and you have a chance to scratch the vehicle. Boom! So what I do, guys, is I grip it with my fingers. You guys can see I grip it just a little bit because, of course, the rag can get away from you. Look at that. That is stunning. Look at that mirror finish. Try not to lean too much on the car. I happen to grab the wiper. I know that this is one of the strong points, so I lean right there. Super important. Now, if your core is strong, stay up. Flip and wipe. Look at that beautiful finish. And whew, look at that beautiful, lustrous finish, all protected. I'm pretty much done waxing this surface. And I'll tell you, when I used to detail, a lot of what I used to do is make sure I demonstrate to clients that the stuff is real. Look at that beautiful water beading right off. Let's check that ceramic. Look at that. Woo, that is beautiful. That's exactly what I was talking about, the water beading right off. You can tell that it's working. I'll do it one more time for you. Look at that. That is amazing. And trust me when I tell you, when it comes to these type of cars and the amount of money invested in them, that's why you want to use liquid ceramic wax by Meguiars. All right, guys, so I showed you guys how to use the new ceramic product line from Meguiars. Now all you got to do is click the link below, purchase your product, and let me know how you reflect your passion. It's time to continue waxing. I'll see ya.